Mindful eating is a simple yet powerful approach to food that involves paying attention to your body and your food in order to improve overall health and wellness. It is a way to be more intentional and present when eating and to connect with your body's natural hunger and fullness cues. Here are some tips for incorporating mindful eating into your daily routine. Slow down and savor each bite. When you eat mindfully, you take the time to enjoy each bite of food. This means slowing down and savoring the flavors, textures, and aromas of the food. Doing so can help you feel more satisfied with your food and can reduce overeating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating involves tuning into your body's hunger and fullness signals. Before you eat, take a moment to assess whether you are actually hungry. During your meal, pay attention to how your food tastes and how you feel as you eat. This will help you to be more in touch with your body and to stop eating when you feel satisfied rather than full. Avoid distractions while eating. Eating mindfully means focusing on your food and the act of eating rather than being distracted by other things. Avoid eating in front of the TV or while working at your desk, as these distractions can make it difficult to tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Instead, create a calming atmosphere for your meals by eating at a table, in a quiet place, and with minimal distractions. Take regular breaks to check in with yourself and your food. Throughout the day, take a few moments to check in with yourself and your food. Ask yourself how you feel, whether you are hungry, and what you would like to eat. This will help you to be more in touch with your body and to make better food choices. Set aside time for intentional meals. Make time for meals that are focused on mindful eating. This could be a quiet, leisurely breakfast, a midday break for lunch, or a relaxed evening meal. During these intentional meals, focus on your food and your body, and take the time to savor each bite. Seek out new experiences with food. Finally, be open to new food experiences and try new foods. This can help to expand your palate, increase your awareness of new tastes and textures, and make eating more enjoyable. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see how mindful eating can help you to achieve your health and wellness goals.